Here's how you can find private Telegram channels. First, open Telegram and tap the search bar. Search for SearcheeBot. From the search results, tap the SearcheeBot with the search icon that contains the Telegram logo. Then tap Start. Next, choose your preferred language. I'll select English. You can search for channels in two ways, by using global search or by browsing categories. Let's start with global search. Tap Search in all categories, then enter a keyword. For example, type Bitcoin. As you can see, all Telegram channels related to Bitcoin will appear in the search results. Simply tap any channel you're interested in, then tap Join to become a member. You can search for any topic you like. For example, if you search for soccer, Telegram will display channels related to soccer. The second method is by using categories. For example, if you're looking for news and media channels, tap that category, and you'll see a list of Telegram channels related to news and media. Browse the list and join any channels that interest you. If you're looking for travel content, tap the travel category. Once you find a channel you like, tap it, then select Open Channel, and finally tap Join. After you join a channel, Telegram will recommend similar channels at the bottom of the screen. You can browse those recommendations and join any additional channels that match your interests.